Oh my goodness, you accidentally deleted your Instagram post? Don't worry. I'm here to show you a method. I think this is a new feature by Instagram where you can actually restore a deleted post. So I'm going to show you my phone. So this is not available in computer PC right now. Most of the Instagram works have to be done in phone. So yeah, let's go into my phone and I can show you how you can restore a deleted post. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can restore your deleted post. So let's go to your Instagram profile first. Right, go to Instagram, click on your picture right at the bottom right, and then this is your Instagram profile. So I'm going to show you two different things. One is called deleted, one is called archive. So when you click on any of your posts, you notice you click on the three dots on top, you notice you have the option to archive or to delete. Alright, I'm not going to click on it because it's live. So when you click archive, you go to another folder called archive folder. If you click on delete, you will delete the post. So let me just show you what to do if you accidentally delete your post first. Alright, you click on the three line on top, which is the burger icon. Then you click on settings, and then you go to account. Then next you go to recently deleted. Here you can see. So you just click on recently deleted. And then you can see all the posts that you accidentally deleted or you have deleted within the past few days. As of now, I've seen up to 30 days. So just be aware if you accidentally deleted something, this is the faster come into here and faster get it back. Alright, so you click on the post here. So this post I have some mistake on it, that's why I deleted it. So you have to click on the three dot icon, then you can see there's permanently delete. When you press delete, this is permanently deleted from here. And then you can click on restore. Restore, you go back to your profile. The pictures will go back to your profile. And now if you want to go to archive, now archive is a bit different. You put all your posts in another page, another folder you can call it, right, that you can retrieve. So you click on the burger icon again, you see there's an archive right on top. Just click on archive, and you can see there's post archive, if you have stories archive, if you have live, there's live archive. Right, so from here as well, if you have any posts or anything archived, you can actually put them back into the profile as well. I think the archive, they keep it for even longer period compared to deleted posts. So use post archive if you're not sure to delete. Right, if you're confirmed you want to delete the post, just go delete it. Just go delete it. But for post archive is when you archive it so that it don't show in your profile, but it is actually in your account. So nothing to make sure that you save. For example, if you post in your Instagram, whatever happened, you worry that you accidentally deleted it from Instagram or whatsoever. You want to save it in your phone. So every time you upload, it is saved in your phone. So what you do is go to the three dot, which is burger icon. Right? Then you go to settings again. Then go to accounts. And you see original post. So just make sure that all these save original post, save poster post, save poster videos are all ticked. Not all are ticked. So why is this important? This is important is that if, for example, whatever reason your Instagram got people deleted your post and things like that, at least you have it ready. Right? You have it saved in your phone once you post it out. So this is saved in the phone folder, which is separate from Instagram. One thing to take note when you want to restore your deleted post is to make sure that you have access to your email address as well, because sometimes they will ask you for verification, and that is what happened for a case I had previously. They ask for verification code, so you need to have verification code ready in order to be able to restore or to delete the post. So just make sure that you have all the information ready when verification is needed. Right, so that is how you can restore the archive and deleted posts in your Instagram account. Thank you. Yep, that is how you can easily restore your deleted posts. I talked about archive as well, and I talked about how you can save the information inside your phone as well. So in case anything happens to your Instagram account, at least you have something ready. Right? I hope you find this useful. This is a case that happened to me as well. So that's the reason why when I found this information, I find it good to share it with you all. So I hope this is information to you, and if you like what I shared, and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, hi, I'm Ken, and I talk about digital marketing entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, do consider subscribing to this channel, turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. And if you find anyone that need this video, for example, they accidentally deleted a post, feel free to share it to them. Right? And with that, thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.